Hi, my name is Dominick Lee. I'm an avid inventor, programmer, and CEO of GyroPalm. GyroPalm is a patented wearable interface that enables users to control electronics, computers, appliances, and IoT devices, all with a flick of the wrist. Using GyroPalm, we have a wearable technology that's like no other smartwatch. GyroPalm has a patented AI gesture engine in there, and what that means is using our AI-based gesture engine, you could perform gestures only once to train them, and you can also use GyroPalm with simple ordinary gestures to convert those into extraordinary actions. GyroPalm revolves around a high-precision IMU as well as our one-shot gesture machine learning algorithms, and that enables users to control robots even anywhere from the world, or within 3,000 feet using LoRa or long range. We also have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth protocols as well as infrared, and we're very open to different types of protocols, including WebSockets, APIs, and so forth. So we offer multiple products, including our award-winning Spectrum package. And what the Spectrum package allows you to do is not only just control robots, but be able to visualize them from anywhere in the world. And that includes a WebRTC stream, as well as a complete low latency communication with the robot, less than 50 milliseconds, using our premium GyroPalm real-time API. And I'm gonna do a quick little demonstration for you for the GyroPalm Omnibot robot, which enables users to be anywhere in the world, be two places at once. So we mail this robot and rent it out to any users in US and Canada, as well as the GyroPalm wearable. And using any simple activation gesture, you could communicate with this robot and bring it to life and visit any remote factories, facilities, or real estate that you desire. As you can see, I'm controlling this robot hands-free. This is perfect for busy workers or users who want to go anywhere in the world. As you can see here, completely hands-free. This robot is rechargeable, as well as it auto-docks and has autonomous functions through ROS. I'm controlling this robot from remote locations. And once the user is done controlling it, they can actually see the recorded footage and also disable it by simply putting down their hands. So by putting down my hand, this is a deactivation gesture, and now I could pick up other objects and items as I please, right? There's an amazing protocol switching that happens behind the scenes, which means that I can go from controlling robots to controlling pharma tech use cases, such as the Vimpact enclosure you see here. So this is called the GyroPalm Vortex. This is one of the many appliances that we have that stirs chemicals and manipulates chemicals, as well as our cobot, the elephant cobot here, that we programmed these motion patterns a few days ago using the GyroPalm wearable. And by doing that, we do this simple gesture to control where the robot is. If anyone is familiar with collaborative robotics, you know that you have to use a heavy teach pedal and do this to program the robots. With GyroPalm, this is the world's smallest HMI. So I'm going to do another simple motion here to activate the vortex control and show you how easy it is to control and circulate a bottle of chemicals in a clean room. You can see this is behind glass. I'm not even needing to touch this to control this procedure. And with a drop of my hand, I'm done controlling this procedure, and now the chemicals are stirred. We could also do a lot of this with different types of pharma tech procedures such as pipetting, sorting, filtering, DNA purification, and things like that through our Vimpact enclosure. Now, all of this operates on an open framework that's supported by the National Science Foundation called GyroPalm Vimpact. And essentially, Vimpact stands for Virtual Interfaces for Multi-Protocol Augmented Reality-Based Activation-Based Control Transfer. I know it's a mouthful, but what that means is it's the technology that enables you to be near devices and control them relevantly with the context of where you are and your role. In addition to that, this has wireless capabilities that enable you to control cameras as well. So we have right here a Nikon DSLR. This is not a modified camera. And what this enables me to do is I just have to hit the DSLR mode and do a gesture to double snap. And I just have to do a flick. And as you can see there, I've just taken a picture, right? And you can actually do this time and time again, but we have very minute control, meaning flicks, snaps, and all these can be detected. But as you can see, it's not going to confuse my gestures with a clap, right? It's not going to work. I can still do every normal activity with my hands. But at the same time, when I really wanted to, it will control the relevant device at any time of the day. Now, finally, we have another demo I'd like to share with you. This is called the GyroPalm Smart Rover. We actually build integrations into several different robots, including heavy-duty motor controllers. Why lift 100 pounds when you can actually lift it with only your fingertips? So as you can see here, I'm going to control this robot. This is a heavy-duty robot. All I have to do, again, is the same activation gesture. And as you can see, I'm actually driving this robot. So let me move this into position. See, as you can see, I am moving this robot completely hands-free. And this actually doubles as an e-stop. So if the robot is going into different directions, we can actually stop this robot at any time by simply dropping my hand. And actually the robot would disengage. So this can function as an e-stop and so much more. In fact, we actually talked to OSHA and they actually approve of a lot of this, thinking that's very safe. And because of our low latency 0.05 seconds emergency stop features, this can be used to control PLCs, disable relays, and also quite honestly enable them as well as a line of different things. So with that said, with the addition of our Spectrum package, you can actually control things such as robots while seeing them in the corner of your eye. Using the Vuzix Blade leading AR glasses, you can actually record and display live video feeds through WebRTC and so much more. So we're happy to offer the Spectrum package, which is our award-winning package, one of the best wearables. Got the Best Wearables Award here at Sensors Expo, and we're very happy to share that with our customers. So these products are very affordable, and we offer plenty of support with this, as well as the developer kit, which we have a JavaScript, C++, and Python SDK.